Which one of the following soils is ideal for growing cotton? Option A, Ragur soil. Option B, laterite soil. Option C, desert soil. Option D, mountainous soil. Soil is formed by the process of dash. Option A, denudation. Option B, gradation. Option C, weathering. Option D, erosion. Land left without cultivation for one or less than one agricultural year is called as dash. Option A, culturable wasteland. Option B, current fallow land. Option C, wasteland. Option D, none of the above. There is enough for everybody's need, but not for anybody's greed. Who said this? Option A, Jawaharlal Nehru. Option B, Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Option C, M.K. Gandhi. Option D, Sundar Lahi Bahuguna. Resources which are surveyed and their quantity and quality have been determined for utilization are known as dash. Option A, potential resources. Option B, stock. Option C, developed resources. Option D, reserves. Which one of the following statements is correct as regard to international resources? Option A, resources which are regulated by international institutions. Option B, resources which lie beyond the territorial waters. Option C, resources which are found along the international frontier. Option D, resources which are not yet developed. The first International Earth Summit was held in dash. Option A, Geneva. Option B, New York. Option C, Japan. Option D, Rio de Janeiro. The most widespread relief feature of India is dash. Option A, mountains. Option B, forest. Option C, plains. Option D, plateaus. Resources which are found in a region but have not been utilized. Option A, renewable. Option B, developed. Option C, national. Option D, potential. Which one of the following statements is true about the term resources? Option A, resources are free gifts of nature. Option B, they are the functions of human activities. Option C, all those things which are found in nature. Option D, things which cannot be used to fulfill our needs. The red soil is red in color because option A, it is rich in humus. Option B, it is rich in iron compounds. Option C, it is derived from volcanic origin. Option D, It is rich in potash. Soil formed by intense leaching is dash. Option A, alluvial soil. Option B, red soil. Option C, laterite soil. Option D, desert. Which one of the following type of resource is iron ore? Option A, renewable. Option B, biotic. Option C, flow. Option D, non-renewable. Under which of the following type of resource can tidal energy be put? Option A, replenishable. Option B, human made. Option C, abiotic. Option D, non-renewable. Which one of the following is the main cause of land degradation in Punjab? Option A, intensive cultivation. Option B, deforestation. Option C, over irrigation. Option D, overgrazing. In which one of the following states is terrace cultivation practiced? Option A, Punjab. Option B, plains of Uttar Pradesh. Option C, Haryana. Option D, Uttaranchal. In which of the following states is black soil found? Option A, Jammu and Kashmir. Option B, Gujarat. Option C, Rajasthan. Option D, Jharkhand. What percentage of our land should be under forest according to the National Forest Policy 1952? Option A, 33. Option B, 22.5. Option C, 31. Option D, 30. Materials in the environment which have the potential to satisfy human needs but human beings do not have appropriate technology to access them are called as dash. Option A, potential resource. Option B, stock. Option C, developed resource. Option D, reserves. India's territorial water extends up to a distance of dash. Option A, 12 km. Option B, 12 nautical miles. Option C, 19.2 miles. Option D, 200 nautical miles.